Yeah, it went over like past my knees. Because I tried feeding our bird feeder over there so they had something to eat, and I went. And it's not as deep right here. Trying to get. Broke this. So sad. I'm literally sticking y'all in snow. Clear this out and get one of their toy houses, like play houses, and put it here to try and eliminate the snow getting in. I'm gonna try to put some cardboard up in it. Okay, there's the house, the little thing right there. Oh, no. Okay. Stink. I'm gonna try and keep the snow out as much as possible. You just gonna stay in there? All right. There's still snow on there, but I'll have to figure out if I can clean it out better. There's the little windows, but I feel like that's better than nothing. It'll keep the snow out enough to at least have a spot that they can feel more comfortable going to the bathroom. I could probably put some potty pads in here. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe that'll make it a little better. And then I'll still have to clean this out each time they have to go, but better than like that or that. That is the depth of the snow that we're talking about. We'd lose you in it. Yeah. All right.